To an integration question. Take a moment, think about the sort of substitution you can do in this. Now, if you've thought about it and you're clear you cannot do it, let's see what sort of substitution can work. Look, we'll always have a couple of identities that we always use. Tan square plus 1 is secant square. You can see some sort of tan square thing coming from here, because it cannot be this one, because sine square minus 1 is cos square. Sorry, sine square plus sine square equals 1 minus cos square. Okay, and cos square equals 1 minus sine square. This is more reminiscent of this formula. Okay, so we'll use this sort of a substitution. Now you have to be tricky with this. X equals 2 tan u. You'll see this would fit quite well, because when you take the square you'll have 4, and then you can take a whole 4 common, and then you'll have 1 plus tan square u, so it solves the problem itself. So now dx would be 2 secant square u du. Now we can just plug in the values and see what happens. Okay, so the limits have to change as well, but let's just do this. 4 plus 4 tan square u 3 by 2, and now dx is actually 2 secant square u du. Okay, now when you take the 4 common, you can actually take the 4 common. The 4 would have a power of 3 by 2. So this is just the algebraic part of it. 4 3 by 2, and then you'll have 1 plus tan square u, which is secant square u. So secant square u 3 by 2, this 2 cancels this 2, and this is 3, this is 2, this 2 cancels this 3, so there's only a secant u left. That's a pretty nice thing. So you have 2, 4 to the power 3, 4 squared is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, 64 under root is 8, 2 divided by 8 is 1 by 4. So there will be a factor of 1 over 4 here, and there would be cos u. Kindly check the factor, I might have messed that up. So you need to just evaluate, functionally you just need to evaluate cos u. So this is a pretty simple question then, and you just need to change the limits and you can complete it. I'll just look at the limits first. So u equals tan inverse of x by 2, and you need to evaluate it from tan inverse of 0 is 0, tan inverse of 1 over 2, I think it's less than 45, it would be some angle, pi by 4, less than pi by 4. So you'll have to actually do that from the calculator and just plug in the values and you'll get the answer.